Alright guys, now before we head over to Beverly Hills, I opened up some of the boxes that I showcased in a few videos ago. First of all, we got the 118 BBR FXXK. Now the same owner of this car in real life also has the Koenigsegg 1-to-1 with the pink stripes, and of course he's got the 760 Zonda JC that unfortunately they have not made yet. Now a lot of you guys are wondering how much some of these resin models cost. Now this is a BBR. This one costs around $400 to $450. I can't really remember, but yeah, it's a pretty expensive hobby. You got to pay top dollar for some of the better quality models, so it's kind of like you got to pay to play. So anyways, this one costs around what, $350, $400. It's been such a long time. And of course the die-cast models right over there, those range between like $150 to $320, $350. So it really varies. I'll do another video about the model cars, and I'll be showcasing a few of my other models from time to time. I don't want to like spoil it all in one video, because where's the fun in that, right? Anyways, got a lot to do. It's Easter Sunday, guys. Let's roll. Check this out. Look at all this crap here. It's basically leftover gasoline residue. These things are so smoked out. They're like charcoal black. That's from all the fuckboying that I've been doing with all the snap, crackle, and pops. You basically feather the accelerator just a little bit when you're like downshifting, and bam, crackles. All right, guys, back in Beverly Hills. It is Easter weekend. It is Easter Sunday. Even Jesus Christ himself could not keep the fuckboys away. Nice. Woo! That was close. Even Jesus Christ. Nice pull. Now that's a sponsor and a half, guys. Oh yeah. The homie Max from the Bay Area stopped by, swooped down, gave us some Aquafina water, stay hydrated, Stratman style. And we got Randy's Donuts on Rodeo Drive. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, look at that fucking wagon. Oh yeah, fun wag. That sprinkle donut right there. Oh yeah. We're fucking eating donuts. With these guys, got these guys on segways. Is he a bunny? Like he's an Easter bunny? What's the other guy in orange? What is he? A fish? It's like Finding Nemo? What do you think, Max? Like, what are we looking at right here? I mean, he's I had no comment either.
He's humping the segment.
Yes. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Happy Easter!
Thank you, man. Yes. Got the carrot.
He's got a scuba tank.
He's got a scuba tank. Oh my god. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's about to bust down on the chair. Dude, you can't even fucking make this shit up. I got 100. I can't even speak. I can't even speak. There we go. There we go. Check out this matte military green Corvette. Pretty good wrap. Check out the license plate though. Done deal. This is a done deal. You should have gotten the Z06, son. This is a prime example of a poverty spec car. This doesn't have to be a Lamborghini, but check out the wheels. Oh, are you kidding me right now? I'm getting blocked again. Oh, yeah, hold on, here we go. Oh, this person's trying to do it. Dude, what the f... yeah. Way to ruin the take. Ooh, and her side is completely smashed. Anyways, check out the Lamborghini, guys. Now that is the very definition of poverty spec. It's got the lift up, sin number one. It's white, boring. It's got the crappy wheels. Man, it's not a, it just does not look good. I'm sorry. Hey, you guys, want to see the world's ugliest 488? Behold and feast your eyes on this. Check out the poster on this Star Tours bus. Yeah. Welcome to Beverly Hills, baby. Peep the combo. We got a white 4x4, pretty standard, and a wide body BMW. Here we go. Hold on. Whoa. Oh, okay. Behold, the 21st century Pontiac Aztec. aka the Rizvani tank. Good old Los Angeles. We love a good customized license plate. We got antimatter on the M4. Well done, sir. Well done. Always like the Aston Martin Vanquishes, man. They are so clean. This one's in, I think, matte white. Black wheels, red calipers. Looking pretty damn sharp. I would not mind one of those cars, actually. Fortunately, the prices are quite high. But fortunately for me, though, the depreciation of those things are also quite high. Check it out. Oh, those are the valet guys. They just parked their cars. There's Luke in his Aventador. New wrap, new exhaust. Quite the crowd. Oh yeah. I'm gonna hop on over to the other side. Do a little jaywalking. Hopefully BHPD 90210 does not stop me. We got the PT Cruiser. Oh yeah. Man, we got leapers for days. Front ends up. Oh no. So I just gotta teach that valet to put down that front lift, boy. Check out the wall kit with 4Gs lowered black bison. Ooh, look at the wheels on that. Whoa. Luke's car's drawing quite the crowd here. Looks pretty good though. Oh, we got the Instagram models posing in front of the Aventador here, and we got a white Bronco. Some OJ Simpson shit right here. Whoa, look at that pose. Are you kidding me? What? What a baller. This guy's so excited to see Aventador, he got stood up. Dude, everyone gets so excited seeing the Lambo here. If you're a YouTuber, you have to get a Lamborghini. This is the kind of attention you can get. This is the flex piece on Rodeo. Damn, the thing's so loud. Got homeless encampments popping up all over the place here on Sunset Boulevard. We're at a point in today's video where we've actually managed to find ourselves on Hollywood Boulevard in the daytime. Nonetheless, it's quite the circus here. Let's roll down the window. Nice poverty spec 640i just drove past. Oh yeah, I got the man in gold. You should have seen it near the ex-Chinese theater. It was completely packed. We're on a secret mission here. We're gonna be purchasing a few items, but I probably only need around, I'll say, let's just do 23 minutes just in case, because someone is actually getting a parking ticket right over there. Camera's not focusing, but always pay your meters, guys. It's not worth the $30, $50, $60, $70, $80 ticket. So this one's a tricky one because the meters expire, but this person is also in the red. Dude, what the heck is going on here? Check out the costumes. Whoa. What the heck? What? It's like a circus. Oh my goodness. Got a tip off from my buddy Hamid, who works at Land Rover of Beverly Hills off Sunset Boulevard. By the way, peep the funky show that's happening over there. Oh yeah, check out those costumes. What the hell, man? Whoa. What is going on tonight? Woo! What the hell? Anyways, we're going to the Wiltern Theater. Apparently Deadmau is playing a concert there. And he's driving a 720S, so let's check it out. That must be the Ogara press car or loaner car. We got the 720S in orange. Actually looks pretty decent with a wing up. Deadmau is playing at the Wiltern Theater right over there. I just illegally parked there for like a quick second. Luckily there's no one, no security here, but there it is. Nice. Don't mind my shitty parking. It's just, it is what it is. Let's roll, guys. Oh, those guys up there are probably watching me like, what the fuck? This is the first. We got a paparazzi on a skateboard. Are you kidding me right now? Holy shit. They are, man, they're getting really creative. He was on one of those boosted boards. He's carrying a massive video camera, like 4 times larger than the size of my Sony camcorder. Check it out. Got a sneaky cop behind me. You can sort of see him. Hold on, just wait. He's creeping. He's turning on his lights. What's it doing? What do you want? That is the slowest creep I've ever seen in my entire life.